Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right, back with another video, guys. So today I'm basically harvesting black eye beans. The different, when you shake them, you naturally hear the seed is rattling inside, so you know for sure that these beans are ready to harvest. Black eye beans is a very easy beans to grow. All you got to do, plant them, create a trail for them, and basically that's basically it. They love trail. Once you give them that trail, they will produce a lot for you. So I love it, and I decided to plant them for the first time. And guess what, guys? These black eye beans is what I get from the farmers market, and I decide to plant them. So now I have enough to make a meal. I already harvested some a few weeks ago, so I'm just gonna make this harvest, and then I'm gonna cook some nice black eye beans. I just love the flavor. Black eye beans carry this flavor, and if you notice, the pegs them are very long. Look down inside there. I plant them in different areas that I can see where they produce better, because it's my first time planting them. So because you're planting them for the first time, you want to have a little experiment with them. So you're going to plant some where the sun is shining and some where the sun is not shining too much. So the one that does better, then you know that's where you need to plant them. But they are very easy to grow. Okay, let me go down and get some down here. Very easy to grow. Some of the pegs are very long. When they dry like these, sometimes you really need to have a bag or a bowl, because sometimes when you try to pick them, they open up. They open up and all the seed could fall out. So sometimes you should have a bowl under them. But I'm not worried about that. If a couple drop, that's fine. Maybe they might come back up in the spring. Okay, follow me, guys. I have more over this side, but I do think all of them, look here, pepper again. I do think all of them did very well. Even though I plant them in different places, I think they did well. When you know if they really dry and ready, you shake them like this. And when you shake them, you're gonna get the song where you naturally hear the bees is rocking to the shell, so you hear it naturally shaking. Okay, all down in here. So now I have peas to cook, and then I'm gonna replant some for the spring, next spring. Okay, guys, I have more to harvest, but I'm gonna end it right here. And this is what's going on. Nice bowl of black eye beans. Let me show you. You see, when you pick them like this, they start shelling out. All right. So all right, guys, thanks you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, Please subscribe to this channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Peace and love.